Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how to fix microphone not working while calling on your Jabra Elite 7 Pro. To fix it, so you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now here what you want to do is first of all make sure to ensure proper earbuds placement, that is insert each earbuds into your ear, ensuring the microphones are pointed towards your mouth, and using MyFit test in the Sound Plus app to optimize audio and in. After you actually done it, so you could also check microphone permissions in your phone app's permission. Ensure that the Jabra Sound Plus app has microphone and phone permission enabled. If you are using a third-party app for calls, also verify that the app has microphone and phone permissions as well. Once you've done it, so you could also open the Jabra Sound Plus app and go to the headset settings, then general, and if the in-ear detection feature is enabled, ensure you're wearing both earbuds properly. If not, you could also check for and install any available firmware update using a Jabra Sound Plus app. Or else what you could also do is you could also reset the default settings. As a last resort, you could consider resetting the headphones to their default settings if available, or you could also inspect for the earbuds any physical damage or maybe USB block, or you could also try charging it for about an hour, and that should be able to help you out and see whether that fixes your issue or not. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.